Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today is going to be a little bit of a organized declutter video. I need to do the laundry room. I'm going to show you that in a second, but I have these bins at the top. But I have these bins above the washer and dryer that I store like toilet paper, paper towels, all my cleaning supplies, and I need to reorganize that because I just got in a shipment of Lysol wipes and I need to figure out how I'm going to put all that stuff away. So I'm going to take care of that today. This is going to be over a few days because I think I probably won't film again till Sunday. I just happened to get off work early today, which allows me a little bit of time to do some of these things. So the next day, Sunday, I think my plan will be to do a declutter of my closet, my dresser. So this is what I was talking about. I have like my air filters kept over here, and then I have all these little bins. This one I keep toilet paper in. This one's usually just paper towel. I may add Kleenex to this just to free up some space in these three for all the cleaning stuff. I also have these bins that I keep like laundry things, rags, and then the pertinent cleaning stuff I grab for all the time. And I just recently hung these up because I didn't know where to put them up there. But this is the shipment that I got in. So I have like 6 of these I need to figure out how to put in a bin so they're not sitting on my washer. So I'm going to start by getting everything into the living room, and then we'll sort everything out. Here's what I got. Like I said, I'm thinking about adding Kleenex to the back, and I have paper towel coming in my grocery haul on Saturday. But I want to kind of sort these by like back stock, maybe the floor stuff, and then like kitchen. You know what I mean? Just kind of sort it out that way and condense things down and get rid of any boxes that aren't necessary. I think I got it. So this one will hold paper towel and Kleenex, which again, I'm getting more paper towel. This one is like cleaning products, refill for shower cleaner, glass cleaner. I have my Mr. Clean sheets, any other additional sprays that I may not use all the time. And then I condensed the Great Value duster things and then some of the Swiffer ones I had left, and then I'll just keep refilling this because down there you can see I have that ginormous box I ordered offline. I didn't know I had some in there, so see, should have cleaned first. And then I emptied this one and taped the Lysol to it, so if at a glance, if I'm just tipping it, I can tell that these are the Lysol toilet bowl clings. This is a back stock of trash bags, all of the Lysol wipes because I needed space for those, and in my laundry pods. And then this is more floor and kitchen. So there's like dish pods, dish soap, and then floor cleaners. Under here, there's a bin, but that is full of old light bulbs that aren't bad, like dead, but I'm not gonna throw them out. So I just left that. But see, this keeps it looking nice because this door is open and that's all exposed. I mean, if I really had it my way, I would have cabinets up here, but I don't. This makes it look nice, but it's organized now and I can find stuff easily. So like I said, that's all that I'm gonna do tonight. We will pick this up again on Sunday afternoon when I hopefully get to the closet and dresser clean out. Welcome back, and it is Sunday afternoon. So we're gonna do the dresser closet clean out. I want to get this done today so I can run to Goodwill because I just realized I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. So we're gonna start with the dresser. I'm gonna go through the drawers, get rid of anything I'm not gonna wear again, and try to pare down some of the junk stuff that just needs to go in the trash. And I did want to point out, I bought these don't know if you can see it. They're like little zip shut canvas cubes. I thought those would be handy to store anything that needs to be stored. Put on The Summer I Turned Pretty on Amazon Prime, and we're just gonna go to town. I wanna get this done. So I have condensed down. This is underwear, sports bras, my regular bras I wear during the day, socks. So the next thing I'm gonna do, because I've emptied out this drawer, I am going to take out PJs and put them over here. And then I think I'm gonna make this drawer like my tank tops and shorts, like jean shorts and, you know, dressy shorts, like my summer kind of dresser drawer. And then this one will be more like long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, and then I probably won't keep very many of those tanks, but we'll do that. And then down here, this is usually my workout drawer. So there's like legging shorts, long sleeve shirts, tank tops for working out. And this is like sweatpants, leggings, capri leggings. And I need to clean this up and rotate because I try to keep the shorter leggings, like the capri ones, towards the front in the summer months, and in the rest towards the back, especially thicker ones. So, pajamas. These are just odds and ends, shorts and shirts, and then my match sets back here. This drawer has room, but this is t-shirts, a couple of the under tanks I just decided to keep, 2 long sleeve winter ones, and then these are more of my summer sleeveless shirts. In here, definitely room. But these are like summer tanks that I'll wear, some of the basics, and then these are like sweat shorts, more of the lounge style biker shorts, and like, you know, not something you'd want to work out in. I'm going to add more to this drawer once I go through the closet. This one is my workout stuff. So I rotated most of the cold things to the back, and then these are more capri leggings, shorts, tank tops. And then in here we pared this down. So we got sweatpants, more of the winter leggings, thinner leggings, and then these are all like capri lounge type pants. So far, that's what I have to donate, and this is all trash. So now we're gonna tackle the closet. My thought is anything I haven't worn in the last like 6 years is gonna go. And then that way, as I buy new pieces, I won't feel guilty for buying more and filling the closet, but I need to purge out the things that not be wearing. So we're going to take care of that. Up here is like all of my t-shirts, work, you know, like if I'm going to do something messy painting, those shirts are on the bottom here. These I'll probably just organize. I don't foresee me getting rid of any of those. And then I have like sweatshirts, blouses, blazers, and then this is all dresses back here, which I know there's some of those that I'll purge. In the middle, I think I'm going to put my purses in one of those zip up totes and move this bin stuff so that way they're protected from, you know, dust and stuff. This is where I keep like bras, winter stuff, swimsuits, and then these are the bins I was talking about. I have one that I keep dog stuff in, and then in here right now is all the winter PJs. And lastly, this is all tanks, jerseys, sweaters, more dressy tops, and I try to, again, rotate. I didn't last year because I didn't really wear anything in the winter, but like t-shirt tanks are on the end, jeans. And then back here, we got like shorts and jeans that probably need to go. So these shorts will probably make their way into the dresser drawer, so they're not there. That way I can move these things down. And then we're gonna pair through those because I really don't need that many pairs of jeans when I literally wear 2. But I want to keep a couple nice ones for special occasions and get rid of any junk ones. To take a break because my mom called. I did go through the rest of the shirts up here. There's not much coming out of there, but a few pieces. Still need to do jeans. So I want to put the purses in here so I can keep them dust free and, you know, bug free, and then get these back in the closet, and then we'll do jeans. See, now I can see what purses are in here if I need to reach in and grab them. Much better. The purses, the shirts, I did push them back a little bit but kept them off the wall this time. So this is more like my summer shirts, and then sweaters, flannels, that kind of thing, and all my Panther jerseys. Down here we sorted out jeans, so I have like my capri jeans, skinny jeans, my regular jeans, and then back there's more like dressy pants if I need them. All right, I didn't touch the t-shirts. I probably won't, but I did do sweatshirts, zip-up jackets on this end, more of my regular sweatshirts, dress shirts, more casual summer dresses, dresses that I know I will wear. Well, these two I may not, but we're holding on to them just in case because they're more formal. And then back here I have my two blazers. Much better if you ask me. Over here, this is my pile of clothes to donate, and then this is clothes that are just gonna go in the trash because they're honestly torn or ripped or just they're trash. So I'm gonna get this stuff into this trash bag after I take that one out. Woohoo, I'm done. I'm so glad I got that project completed today because I honestly thought I wasn't going to finish it till tomorrow. So it's completely done, out of the way. I have organized, decluttered the laundry room and my closet dresser. It's good to purge, get rid of the things you don't need. I have learned over the years that, because I used to save everything because there was a memory attached, and quite frankly, the memories are in here and in here. They are not in those items. So there's just no point in holding on to them anymore, and it's just time to let them go and get rid of the junk. So I'm glad I did it. I am so thankful it's done. I hope you enjoyed watching me, and as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.